Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we have episode 23 of our Let's Talk series. So today I'm actually just doing a first look at this gorgeous yarn that I never heard of until I downloaded TikTok. But going back, if you are new to this channel, my name is Kai. I am the host of the Crochet Corner podcast here on YouTube, and I am so thankful that you're here. If you like what you see, make sure you comment, like, subscribe to my channel, and all that good stuff. So let us get right into it. So today we're going to be doing a first look at the Sweet Snuggles loops and thread yarn. So this is the famous yarn off of TikTok. If you have one and you see all those cool kids crocheting those bees, this is what they're using, and I was finally able to get my hands on some because they were out of stock for it for a while. Sorry guys, I had to hydrate. So this is not a review. I have not yet worked with it. This is just a first look. I was just super excited, and I wanted to share this yarn with you guys in case you might be interested in purchasing some of your own. So let us read the specifications of this yarn, and then I will give you my first look. So this is 109 yarns, or 8.8 ounces. That is 100 meters, or 250 grams. The color that we have here is pink. And it is a size 7 jumbo, and the recommended hook size is 11.5 millimeter, or a USP, USP as in palm. Or if you are using these to knit, they recommend a US sized 17 or 12.5 millimeter knitting needle. So this also says you cannot machine wash it, you can't bleach it, dry flat, don't iron. Hopefully you're not ironing your stuff. But yes, it is called Sweet Snuggles. It is by Loops and Thread. So this yarn is, let's see what it is. Is this polyester? Let's see. Wow, this is actually so beautiful. I'm sorry guys, this yarn is gorgeous, but I know it's of course it's acrylic, but you know, like the velvet yarn, it does say that it's 100% polyester. Because I wonder what this is. Like, how do they make it so beautiful? It is so soft and so fluffy. And I definitely prefer this over the Bernat Blanket Extra, which is what I made the first bee out of. The Bernat Blanket Extra, to compare, it kind of, it was like a string, and then they like attach like the fluff onto it, and this is kind of what this is looking like a piece of it literally just fell off. So I do know that I'm going to be dealing with some shedding at the ends, but with the Bernat Blanket Extra there was like shedding like everywhere. It wasn't even just at the end. I can't find it. It's okay. Oh, it is 100% polyester. It's like way at the bottom. So yeah, you will encounter shedding. This literally just fell off right now. But I think that it was just at the end, like a little piece that was hanging off at the end. So I think that it wouldn't shed too bad when you actually get to crochet with it. But I'll definitely keep an eye out for you guys. I do have a size P hook that I purchased to go along with this, so soon I will work up a project. It's going to be a crochet bee, and I would do a full review on how I like the yarn after that. So yes guys, this is the Sweet Snuggles. I did get this off of Amazon, just so you know. I got this off of Amazon. You can find it there. Wait, I'm a liar. I'm going to check, because I might have got it from Joann's. But it also might have came from Michael's. Okay, so it didn't come from Joann's. Let's check Michael. I want to be accurate for you guys. I don't want to give you wrong information. So let me look at my cart. My orders in Michael's. Order history. It was from Michael's. I knew I was wrong. So I ordered this from Michael's, guys. It looks like that it still might be in shock. in stock, as it allowed me to add it to my cart. And you guys definitely can go ahead and get your own from Michaels, and look out for our actual review of this yarn, and I'll tell you how much it sheds, if it sheds at all, after I work with it. So that is all I have for our first look at our Sweet Snuggles loops and thread yarn. I do want to thank you guys so much for tuning in for this week's Let's Talk, and I also just want to let you know about my website, thecrochetconf.com. I make custom masks, I do custom embroidery, and I make scrunchies, and you know, there might be some new things added to the website, so go ahead and click the link in the description box below to check me out. And again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next video.